welcome! Now that you've purchased the website builder plan, you can start to create your perfect website. In this video, I will show you how to navigate to your website builder. First off, you have to log into your account. Enter your email address and password to sign in. This brings you to the client dashboard. Here there are 4 options within the boxes. Select the first box called Services. You'll be directed to the Product and Services page. From here you can view all purchased hosting plans. Select the site builder plan that's activated. Here it's the beginner site builder plan. Now you'll find the product dashboard. From here you can log into cPanel, webmail, change your password, and get new hosting packages to upgrade your current packages. Under Beginner Site Builder you find the link that guides you to your website. Or go to Visit Website and you also come to your website. To go on to find the website builder, scroll down and select the icon Open Website Builder. Now that you've opened it, you can start editing right away. Here you can browse up to 200 themes. For example, to add pictures, drag and drop the picture button. Choose your preferred shape and select the picture you want to add. If you already have a website, use our website import function to transfer your website to our site builder. You can find it under the new reset icon and click Import, or go to Change Template and select the last function called Website Import. Now enter your domain name and click Import. Remember also that all the site builder plans come with free hosting, so you just have one bill to think about. Now you can start modifying your dream website. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.